Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and you're tired of fighting the never-ending dust bunny invasion, today's video is going to feel like a little miracle because, girl, I am about to introduce you to a robot that doesn't eat, just clean. It strategically takes over one of the most boring chores in your life. And yes, if you want to read the full in-depth article, you'll find the link both in the description below and pinned in the very first comment. Now let's dive in. I'm talking about the Roborock Q5 Max Plus robot vacuum. And let me tell you, this is not just another random gadget you buy and then hide in a closet after 2 weeks. Nope, this one is a smart, hard-working, laser-guided little warrior that has honestly made me rethink what a clean home even means. It's like having a tiny butler with OCD for floor cleanliness. And I say that with love. First impressions? This machine punches way above its weight class for its price point. It almost feels like stealing. You know those moments when you walk barefoot across the floor and suddenly your foot collects more crumbs than your vacuum ever did? Yeah, with this robot, that's history. Hard floors. Consider them conquered carpets. Well, it'll give them a college try. But I'll be honest, this girl shines brightest on wood, tile, and laminate. Think of it as a hard floor hero. Now, let's get a little nerdy because I know my tech-savvy people love details. The Q5 Max Plus comes equipped with LiDAR navigation, which basically means it uses laser beams to map out your home like a high-tech surveyor. And here's the kicker: it sits slightly higher than many competitors, so it actually sees those rogue Legos, pet toys, and random socks before it swallows them whole. Translation: your precious treasures and your sanity are safe. That's a massive win for families with kids or pets. And oh my gosh, the app experience. This is where my neuromarketing brain gets really excited, because usability isn't just a feature, it's a conversion trigger. When a product is this intuitive, your brain labels it as effortless, and that creates instant loyalty. The Roborock app is so well designed it feels like conducting a little orchestra. Want your vacuum to focus only on the kitchen after a messy cooking session? Just tap the map, send it there, and voila, flower explosion gone. You can create no-go zones for things like bar stools or delicate rugs. And you can literally watch in real time as it charts a path across your home with surgical precision. Let's talk suction, power, and cleaning modes. We're dealing with a vacuum that has serious strength, so cables and small obstacles don't stand a chance. It maneuvers efficiently, doesn't get stuck like those cheaper bots, and covers the contour of a room before zigzagging to fill every square inch. It's like watching a tiny little perfectionist do choreography on your floor. And yes, it mops too. No, it won't deep clean your wine stains from last night's Netflix binge, but for quick daily fresh-ups, it's a lifesaver. But wait, we've got to address the elephant in the room: battery life. If you push this vacuum to its limits, max mopping, it does drain faster than we'd like. But here's the saving grace: it's completely autonomous. The moment it's running low, it glides back to its docking station, recharges, and then continues cleaning right where it left off. That's what I call persistence, honestly. I wish some people in my life had that same determination. Storage capacity for dust and water could be better, I'll admit. If you're cleaning a large space and want it done in one go, you'll need to dial back the settings or consider a model with larger tanks. But for apartments, condos, and medium homes, it's more than enough. For context, I tested it in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,200 square foot apartment, and it performed like a champ. So who is this robot vacuum perfect for? If you live in a home with mostly hard floors, if you value smart mapping and efficient cleaning, and if you want a budget-friendly mid-range vacuum that doesn't feel entry-level, this is a phenomenal choice. You're paying a little premium here for vacuum intelligence and in-app mapping, but in my opinion, those two features alone are worth every penny. To wrap this up, let me give you the quick pros and cons. Pros: extremely intelligent navigation, high suction power, efficient maneuvering, above-average mopping, robust and user-friendly app, and the joy of a very clean home without lifting a finger. Cons: battery life and water tank. capacity are not top tier, and it's not the best choice for thick carpets. Bottom line, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus robot vacuum is a great mid-range solution for anyone ready to upgrade from basic cleaners but not looking to spend luxury-level dollars. It's smart, it's reliable, and honestly, it's kind of fun to watch if you've been thinking about making your home smarter and your life easier. This is the moment. So, are you ready to say goodbye to dust bunnies and hello to sparkling clean floors? Hit that link in the description or the first comment for the full article. Trust me, your future self barefoot and crumb-free will thank you.